If we keep our focus on the Lord, we're promised a blessing beyond comparison. Stay focused on these simple things and avoid becoming distracted.
Check it out. It's up there. The river. I wonder if it's cold. Down. Oh, sorry.
See? No problem.
Nice. You taking it down the river then?
Yeah. Hey, everyone, in. Come on.
Hey, you forgot this.
Thanks.
Everybody, come gather around. And we're gonna make sure our life jackets are fitted
Okay.
on nice and properly, okay?
Not even paying attention.
Buckles right here that all need to be
Shame.
buckled up. Hey, Jonathan, please buckle up your life jacket, okay?
Hey, you all right?
Yeah, it's just a little tight.
Oh, well, I just loosened mine a bit back here.
Oh.
All right, lift up on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, my. Oh, wow.
This adventure reminds me of our mortal journey. Remember, stay in the boat. Always wear a life jacket. Always hold on with both hands.
Grab like this. Grip low on your paddle. You get some good strokes, okay?
Most of us experience periods in our life where the tranquil waters of life are appreciated.
Here, let me get one.
Yeah, go for it.
Alrighty, guys. Hey, we got a rapid coming up here. Let's go and worry about pictures and stuff a little bit later. Hey, Jonathan, please buckle up your life jacket, okay?
Okay.
At other times, we encounter whitewater rapids. And if any one of you have fallen out of the boat, we will seek you, find you, and minister to you, and pull you safely back onto the old ship Zion. The Lord, in His goodness, has provided help, including a boat, essential supplies such as life jackets, and experienced river guides who give guidance and safety instructions to help us make our way down the river of life to our final destination. Our local church leaders, like seasoned river guides, have been tutored by life's experiences, have been trained by and mentored by apostles and prophets and other officers of the church, and most importantly, have been tutored by the Lord Himself. Brothers and sisters, use your life jackets. Hold on with both hands. Avoid distractions. Above all, stay in the boat.